โอเคนู้นเราไปตัว HC opener นะ There's the Bruce right there. Here's the rest of the people. Finally get some more ladies in here. Hi. Oh my goodness, look at all these ladies.
Let's keep our backs to this area here.
The sun?
Yeah. And I'll take a photo this way.
Yeah.
No, you know.
Okay, can I get you guys' name?
Michael.
Michael. 贝胡呀
Phen Hồng.
Con贝胡呀
Một chiều à?
Bột chó Con贝胡ya
Không bay ra, mình chỉ tên này Phen Hồng. Bonnie. Simon. Tiền.
Ok, ป้ากี่เต้ตัวแล้วนะปัจจุบันก็ตัวกับเต้ตัวญี่ปุ่นเนาะญี่ปุ่นเนาะต่อยแล้วเกาหลีนะ
Hai ăn bông mồi. Hai tức phụ. TK.
Okay. Để cho nói về your ladies ha. Introduce yourself.
Yang, nice to meet you. Lee, Chua, and C.
Yes, and we've got a couple over here still. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
Oh, my name is Nali, and I'm near Simon.
Nice,
Yeah.
Simon. Okay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you. Kuya Kea. Okay, we've got a couple over here. These two are the one that's leading us today. Can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Maiku, MK.
I'm Bruce. Hi everyone.
And then here's another guy down here. Can you introduce yourself?
Shane.
That's Shane right there. Big a truck. Short to bit no. Can you introduce yourself before you go?
Hi, I'm Yula.
That's Yula. Short to no. Introduce yourself.
I'm Steven Xiong, the Hmong Future guy, okay?
Okay. To know your Hmong future guy na na. Today we are doing the HC opener ride. Everyone that could make it today is here, and we'll be taking off very soon here. As soon as everybody get their gears together, we'll be going. Come join us next time.
So glad that everyone is here for the Hmong Cyclist opening ride. A bigger group than last year, so I'm pretty happy with that. We've got some guys from Wisconsin. We appreciate you guys crossing the border. Today's ride is a very easy ride. 75% of the ride we're all going to ride together, and then at the 75% marker, the men and the women will split. My wife will lead the women back. When we do the split, there's literally just 12 miles on the way back for the women. The guys will have 20 miles on the way back, or no, 17 extra miles on the way back. So they'll get in 24 miles. The guys will get in 32 miles. I will lead the ride today. Boomore is going to be our back sweeper. Plow will be our front sweeper. So he's going to contain the people that go too fast. He's going to make sure that they stop at the routes. If you don't have the map, download it on your bike computer or on your smartphone. Follow me. I'm going to guide the ride today. We're going to ride pretty easy. We're going to handle pace around 12 to 14. For the first 75% of the ride is going to be 12 to 14. So on flats, we're going to do 13. On hills, we're going to try to average 12. And then when we go downhill, I'm going to try to keep it at 14. If you want to go faster, you sure can. We are going to be riding all on the road. In the first probably 10 minutes here, we're going to do a mandatory stop. There will be a beautiful road here with some beautiful views. We'll be in the middle of the road here, and then we'll just be surrounded by lakes on both sides. We're going to stop. We're going to do a mandatory stop, mandatory picture. And then probably 12 miles into the route, when we're up at Bone Lake, there will be a rest stop there. We're going to stop there just so you can rest your legs a bit. If you need to use the bathrooms, there will be a porta potty there. And then from there, we've got another 6 miles. And then we will get to our breaking point where we split up. If you don't know hand signals who are riding on the road, don't worry. The person leading, that's me, will be responsible. So whatever you see me do, and if you're behind me, replicate what I do. So if I yell out there's gravel on the road, that means there's literally sand or gravel or rock or sand on the road. So please mirror that so people who are behind you can be safe. If you see this or this, means slow down. or this means stop. You can see it in the air. You might see it by someone's butt. So please be cognizant of that. If you see someone kind of shaking their hands like this, it doesn't mean that they can't continue the ride anymore. That just means there's debris in the road. So make sure you call out that debris in the road. The first 6-mile stretch of our ride here, once we get past the mandatory picture point, there is one road
For
that's
some
going
of
to
the
be...
ladies, they're still comfortable enough to
Yeah.
hand signal, right? And don't worry about it. Just watch the guy in front of you, and then by signal, okay?
Yep.
But for your safety, we start going to take this and go, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, thế cô sa cà phê sẽ là humble nè. Being both, please just be humble, okay?
Yeah.
Because safety is number one.
Yep.
Lao, thảo văn chữ bê.
All the show, bé sẽ là nhà bé có religion, she sợ đó là sợ lấy cha là bé tôi sẽ cùng sẽ phải thảo cái chữ, okay? Và chữ nó bé có chữ, cái yêu anh chỉ trong, chúng cho bé cho朋友都知道nó,是说OK，我在车体那。mà chứ thằng cái sai cho bé số lần sau tu, bây giờ muốn nó cái bé tất cả là chân này nó chúng ta tới mình là chỉ bé mua bé sớ rồi nó cho phi cho tuổi cho tôi chỉ về xuống đây.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, and then I do want to make one thing clear. When the men and the women split, I do expect that we honor the women, giving them time to ride by themselves so that they can bond. And so the men, you are sticking with me. The women, you're sticking with my wife, Maiku. She is very safe. And so I just want to make sure that that is clear when we get to the split. We'll also make a mandatory stop at the split too. Just so in case if you really have some separation anxiety with your spouse, you can give them a big hug. We'll be apart for maybe at most 45 minutes, and then you'll be, I promise you, you'll be rekindled here at the pavilion.
Here they come. And them there, and then we've got the back here. There they go. Oops. There's the view. Side. Bravo! Hey, do you mind if I go just ahead of you?
Yeah, back this way, front this way. Okay. So back this way. Right? Back this way. Take picture.
They take a picture and also.
Lúc blue, lúc sau blue.
Yeah. On your left. How about that? Okay, you guys, sir. Good? cho là nó thích cái bé ở rồi. Cho nó là cho khó là shit rồi, tôi kể nó.
That's the hardest biking I've ever done.
Portage. Portage. Okay. Cho nó bán nó cho khó là shit ta tụi. Ai đi của tôi lên thế cho khó là shit thêm nữa phải nó sao? Cho khó là shit kìa. Rồi lại một bút để uống nó này. All the way. Gravel coming up.
If I knew it was gravel, I would just brought my mountain bike.
I would have just brought the gravel bike. This is some rough road though.
Alright. So, find me.
Mr. Chang gonna cruise. Josh nhớ đò tao hô.
Which pocket chair? Có hả? Không có nắp gì á. No. Quay cái chair đó. Có cái gì ta? Có cái chair à?
Nặng rồi. It's too shaky. Hey, just have them pass me. Go ahead, guys. Pass. Hey, go ahead, pass me, guys. Sorry.
I'm fine.
Go ahead, pass me, guys.
Oh, cái này phê. Oh.
Go ahead, pass. Bây giờ chỉ nên phải cắn nó một đi chứ. Cho nó này, mà cắn nó một đi nè. Cho tiền nó mua tao luôn. Cho nó xuống. Cho nó thanh chỉ lò đi thế này. These are the groups that are ahead. Let's go catch up to them. There's a beautiful lake on the side here as well. Fall back! Fall back! Fall back, guys! Oh, look at this lake. Look at this lake. So beautiful. Clear? Making a right. Right turn.
Oh, we go fishing too?
Okay. Are we picking up fish to grill here? Biết là chị họ nói là
Đi cho cá, sao đâu.
bathroom break. Bathroom break.
Ê, của tôi lên nè, có bây giờ rồi.
Có tủ lên. Beautiful sky. Have a safe trip, guys. She not big lady on the owner. Yes, Miss Buna. Here we go. Let's catch up to these ladies here. Bigger girls. We're on our own, girls. There's a leader. And that's us right there. The whole crew. Okay, go ahead. Got a couple like the bigger girls, nah. They move they nah. They tell you the bonding moment, nah. The bonding moment, nah. These are my girls. It's a beautiful day. Look at this farm. Beautiful day to ride, and it didn't even storm on us. Let's go. perfect line here. Ladies เสร็จแล้วจะนอนนะ Ladies there ladies over here we got a leader right here take a right Bravo Okay, go ahead. We're good? Ooh, look at, we got our beautiful. Oh, low. On your left. Oh yeah?
Yeah. This is like one big hill.
She says one more big hill. Those guys. Ladies, next time นะต้นชอบไปนะเจ็บที่ขันเยี่ยวอย่างนอกพอตาเลยนะbây giờ ladies rất số luôn đấy bây giờ guys rồi nè biết tôi mới biết được thì trái thằng này getting the food out waiting for our kings just to roll by and eat bây giờ bên nhà thì chơi là thi lò trong cái tư là tu vậy nó trong nó tới gì trong mót tới gì bây giờ khen nổi nữa sai cho nhiệt gì nhiệt cho nhiệt chế nó nè tôi cho họ lửa work hard một nó này bây giờ chỉ lúc bé hay để ta rồi rồi giờ Còn nó bé hay cho lại còn nó tới your father stay cho lỡ lại nó.
That's fast. It take about like 10 minutes to get the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
bảo vệ trong cái vậy thế thôi vậy.
Ta vậy. Ồ, chả đến nhà khăm một về rồi. Ta nữa. Nó bật xong nó tả luôn. Chị sát kia đi quá. Chị sát kia đi. Cũng như thấu.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Was it fun playing? No, it's okay.
Bây tôi bây giờ là thi và nó. Dạ, bây tôi bây giờ là thi và nó rời ta à.
No more. She wanted to shy. So I took my bike over there. You want me to go bring my bike then?
There it is. Hard day of work for these guys. Papa nói không?
Cho nó.
Cô ép vào dẫn lắm.
Cho nó cho ép cho cũng làm việc.
Got wings. Got spring rolls. Vegetarians are over here.